How to buy crypto in Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can purchase crypto in Trust Wallet. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you're going to go into your app store and then you're just going to search for Trust Wallet. And once you search for Trust Wallet, it is available over here. You can see I have it downloaded. Now, you can download this either on your iOS or Android device and then you're just going to open it up. Now, after that, you're going to set up your account or log on to your pre-existing account. So if you already have an account, you can log on to that, but I'm going to click on create new wallet and then you're going to continue with this and then you're going to enter a passcode for your wallet. So after you have created your wallet, now you're just going to go on ahead and secret recovery code and you're just going to continue on with the full responsibility. And then once you do that, you're just going to go on ahead and copy your secret cut. Now, once you have copied that crypto code or the passcode that you receive, you're just going to paste it or send it to someone or just paste it into your actual notes or into any secure place, or you can even write it down. Once you have done that, your wallet will be created and you will have to verify that code, and you're going to click on OK over here, and then you can choose to enable notifications, and just like that, your Trust Wallet has been created. Now how do you actually go on ahead and start funding your Trust Wallet? How to start purchasing in your Trust Wallet? Well, so first off, when you create your wallet, you have the option to receive, send, buy, and swap. So you're going to click on buy over here, and then you can choose whatever token you want to buy. You're going to add however much money you want to buy it from, and then you can select your provider. So whether or not you want it to be converted with Transact, Binance, Ramp, or Mercuro, and then you're going to click on next over here, and after that they will lead you to the globaltransact.com platform. So this tab is basically opened up in your Trust Wallet account, and then you're just going to wait for this to load up, and then they will ask for your payment details. So you're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be loaded onto your screen, and then you can go on ahead and input your payment details. So you can also change this into any of your local currencies. So I would recommend that you change it into whatever currency you're comfortable with when you're trading crypto, so you have a better understanding and you can input any amount that you want. There is also a minimum purchase limit of 50, so you cannot purchase less than $50 worth of crypto when you are looking to buy anything in the crypto wallet on Trust Wallet. Now, you also have the option to swap tokens, so you can click on swap over here, and if you have any tokens that you presently already have, you can swap them to get another token. And you also have the exchange platform. So this is basically where you do crypto exchanging, or it's kind of like spot trading. So you can go on ahead and choose to buy or sell a certain token. Let's say we want to do Polkadot. So we have ./BUSD, and then let's say I want to buy dot at $7 or 7.5, and then let's say I want to buy 10 dot when the price reaches 7.5 BUSD, and I can click on buy dot or swap dot, and then my 75 BUSD will be swapped for Polkadot only if Polkadot reaches that price. Now, you can also click on the top right over here to view different tokens that are super important to you. Let's say that you like to trade a lot with Uniswap. So you're just going to type in Uniswap and then you're going to turn that on, and then this would be added into the token list where you can monitor those tokens. Now, other than that, you also have a section for NFTs. So you can click on NFTs over here, click on receive, and receive any of your Ethereum NFTs on this address. And you can also click on set amount and then enter the amount, or also share your NFT code for people to be able to send you NFTs. Then you also have your discover section over here where you can take a look at the staking tokens, DeFi tokens, lending and borrowing, and smart chains and DeFi information, as well as a simple browser where you can search and enter more information about your crypto. And then in your settings, you actually have the option to choose whether or not this is going to be your main wallet or not. You have your security settings and app locks as well, so you can also add automated locking systems for you to be able to keep your crypto secure. And it's very simple and easy to send crypto and as well as to receive any crypto and buy crypto. So although it is easy to buy crypto, let's say I want to buy Polygon right here, and I'm going to add the basic amount that I want to purchase. I want to purchase $60 worth. Then you have a few different options, and they are going to show you the best rate that you're going to be getting, but you are going to be losing a little bit of money as in comparison to whether if you go ahead and purchase it on a spot trading trade, you might be able to get a better price, but they will show you the best rate that you can get for the crypto token that you are looking to buy, and then you can click on next over here. And now this is via Binance, so it's going to take me to Binance, and you can accept the cookies over here and then enter the Binance payment method that you want to go ahead and purchase with, and you can purchase more crypto tokens in this simple fashion. Now, with each individual token that you are looking to buy, let's say I go on ahead and I am going to go into the Discover section and I take a look at the DeFi tokens, and let's say you want to buy SushiSwap. So let's say you want to click on buy SushiSwap, and you're going to enter your minimum purchase or however much you want over here. And now obviously I don't have the funds available in Trust Wallet, but then you can go on ahead and purchase that as well as going on ahead on the top right and seeing a detailed chart of the price differences of that token as well. Now in your buy section, the payment methods are going to vary depending on what you are buying and from which exact seller. So let's say I go on ahead and buy Polygon, but this time instead of Transact, I buy it with Ramp. Then I can go on ahead and click on next, and then whatever payment options that the Ramp network has, they can choose that. So you can see over here that they have simple payment options as well. And let's say I go ahead with Mercuro. And then with different setups, you might not be able to buy from a certain exchange for geographical limits or currency limits or purchase limits. So you can see Mercuro supports Visa payments, Union Pay, MasterCards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Walt payments. So you're going to be able to easily purchase off of this platform. And they give you multiple options. So if one exchange is not working for you, you can move on to the next exchange. You have 4 exchange options for you to be able to better manage your crypto funds and buy the best price or that you can get for your money. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.